Hey everyone, it's Mr. Lentz coming to you again through the power of the internet. Today I wanted to show you how to submit a Google document, whether that be a Google Doc, a Google Slide, Google Sheet, Google Drawing, whatever. But how to submit a Google Doc with a shareable link. That way you won't lose access or editing rights to the document. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to have my Google Doc open. And I'm going to go up here to the blue share button. And a window is going to pop up. Okay. This will show everyone that you've added to the document. But down here is where you get the shareable link. And you want to make sure that it says Horry County Schools. And because you're giving me the shareable link, you want to give me commenting rights. So change viewer to commenter. And that'll update the document settings. And then all you need to do is just copy the link. So it's copied. And now you would go to your assignment. So this is a student view of an assignment. And instead of adding the document, what you're going to do is go down here to private comment. And you would paste that link in. And then send that. And then mark the assignment as done. So that's how you submit a shareable link. That way you won't lose editing rights to the document. You're still the owner because the documents we're working in are working documents that we'll use throughout the whole novel study. Hopefully you found this video helpful. And if you have any questions, you can email me at clentz@horrycountyschools.net. Thank you.